Hello everyone, I am your maths teacher Priyanka from the CPS. I hope everyone is fit and fine at home. Okay children, yesterday we have done the topic successor, predecessor and the comparison of the numbers. And today we will study about our new topic, that is your ordering of the numbers. Ordering numbers. In ordering numbers we are having two subtopics. One is your ascending order and one is your descending order. We are also having another name of the ascending order and the descending order. Another name of the ascending order is increasing order. Means ascending order and increasing order both are having the same meaning, just the names are different. And same here in descending order. What is the another name of descending order? That is decreasing order. That is decreasing order. Here also the meaning is the same, just the names are different. Descending order and the decreasing order. Okay. Firstly, we will talk about the ascending order. We will talk about the ascending order. So, what is the meaning of the ascending order? Ascending order means the number that we arranged from the smallest to the greatest. Smallest to the greatest. Greatest in the sense biggest. Means smallest to greatest. Firstly, you have to write it smaller number, then greater and then greater. Means if we want to arrange some of the numbers into the ascending order, firstly what you have to write it? Firstly we have to write it smaller number, then bigger and then bigger number. So with the help of example it will more clear to you. So how we can arrange the numbers into the ascending order? See, here we are having some examples. So with these examples it will clear to you. See, we have to arrange these numbers into the ascending order. Ascending order and we can say increasing order. So we have to arrange these numbers into the ascending order. See, firstly you have to write these numbers according to like this. First number is here this one, second this one, third this one and fourth this one. So how we can arrange these numbers into the ascending order? Like in a comparison of the numbers we have done previously, same method we have to follow it here. Means if you know how to compare the number, then it will more easy to you. Means write the numbers into the ascending order. See how we can check it. See, firstly you just have to count the number of the digits. So how many number of digits are there in this number? So can we count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many digits are there? 8. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there? 9. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 9 digits are there. And here also you can see we are having a 9 digits. So first step is here, just count the number of the digits. So we have counted. So see here, which number is having the less number of the digits? So this one number is having the less number of the digits, because here we are having 8 digits, here we are having a 9, here also 9 and here also we are having 9 digits. So which one is the smaller? Obviously which number is having the 8 digits, that number will be the smaller. So which number we will write it first? This one number, 8,71,29,684. So we will put a cross on this number. So because it will, we have written it already this number. So again no need to write this number. Now these three numbers are left. So again we have to check it. Here you can see children, we are having the same number of the digits. Same number of the digits means here also 9, here also 9 and here also 9. So if the number of the digits are same, what is your next step in comparison of the numbers? In comparison of the numbers, our next step is here, let's start to be compare the numbers. Now let's start to be compare the numbers. So first one number is here 4, 4, 4. See, all the numbers are same. So can we compare our second one number? See, 1, 1, 0. So which one is smaller? 0 is the smaller rather than 1, 1. Which number is smaller? 0. So we will write this one number. See, 40 crore 57 lakh 39,712. This one is your second number. So put a cross on this number because already we have written this one number. So these two numbers are left now. Now compare these two numbers. So 4, 4, 1, 1, 8, 9. So see, here is the difference. Here is 8 and here is 9. So which one is smaller? Rather than 8 is your smaller number rather than 9. So obviously this one number is here the smallest number. So we will write this one number, 41 crore 89 lakh 23,685. This one is your smaller number, and only one number is left. Obviously that number will become at the last. So this is called your ascending order. Now one more example is there. With this example it will more clear to you. See, here we are having the numbers and we have to arrange these numbers into the ascending order. Ascending order in the sense increasing order. And what is the meaning of ascending order and the increasing order? Meaning of the ascending order and the increasing order is arrange the numbers into the smallest to the biggest. Smallest to the biggest means firstly smaller, then bigger, and then bigger, and then bigger number. So here, what is your first step? First step is your just count the number of the digits. So can we count out the number of digits? How many digits are there? Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 digits are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8 digits are there. All the numbers are having the same number of the digits. So now let's start to a comparison. So can we do the comparison, children? Okay. See, here is 2, here is 7, here is 5. So which one is smaller? Obviously 2 is the smaller. So we will write this one number. Now next number is your 7 and 5. So which one is smaller? This one, 5. 5. So we will write this one number. And which one is left? Now this one is your left. This one is your left. 7 crore 52 lakh 64,123. So we will write this one number. Okay, children. This is just about the ascending order. Okay. And now come to the next. That is your next subtopic is your descending order. What is the meaning of the descending order? Descending order means the number that we arranged from the greatest to the smallest. Greatest to the smallest means greatest to the smallest means firstly you have to write it bigger number, then smaller number, then smaller, and then smaller number. That is called your descending order. Means descending order is also having the another name, that is your decreasing order. That is your decreasing order. Okay, so see here we are having example. It will clear to you. Arrange these numbers into the descending order. In descending order, what we have to do in descending order, firstly we have to write it bigger number, then smaller, and then smaller number. So like in ascending order we will just do here. Means almost same is there, just a little bit difference. Means methods and steps are same. So here, what is your first step? First step is here, just count the number of the digits. So can we count the number of digits out of these numbers? So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 9 digits are there. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 9 digits are there. So all the numbers are having the same number of digits. So next step is here, let's start the comparison. First one 7, 7 and 7. First number is also same. Next second one 3, 3 and 3. Then 4, 5, 5. 4 is the smaller. We will not go with this one because in descending order firstly we have to write the biggest number. So here is 5 and here is also 5. So we will choose it from these two numbers. So next number is here 0 and 0. Again same. Then 4 and then 0. So which is greatest? 4 is the greatest. So we will write this number, that is 73 crore 50 lakh 44,826. So we have written this one number. So after this, which one number is the smaller? This one. This one is rather than this number means this number is smaller. So we will write this number 73 crore 50 lakh 4,826. So put a cross in this number. Now which number is left? Only last number. This one number is your left. So obviously this one number will become at the last. That is 73 crore 49 lakh 37,286. So put a cross on this number also. Okay children, I hope everyone understood about the ordering of the numbers. Means one is ascending order and one is descending order. How to arrange the numbers into ascending order and how to arrange the numbers in descending order. And I hope everyone understood about this topic. So good day children. Thank you.